See guys, discuss very important topic. Suppose you have started one product, you're launching one product, you're launching one services. Per day, how many clicks done by that page? You are checked by the traffic. So today I got for 20 clicks. Tomorrow I got for 30 clicks. Yesterday I got for 80 clicks. How to check that my website clicks are my Google Analytics part? That is called Google Analytics goals. That is called Google Analytics goal. First of all, here select your page where go to trainings. In this one, I'm selecting for the page name is called Advanced Digital Market Training in Hyderabad. So I'm target for this training. Just copy here this URL. Why? I'm checking for in this URL website clicks on where I'm checking for Google Analytics part. Just here, go to Google Analytics. In this Google Analytics, we have checked your website. My website name is called rakeshtechsolutions.com. In this part, Analytics. In this here, already my website will selected here, Rakesh Tech Solutions here. Next one, go to option call is here, admin. In this admin, the option call is goals. In this one, option call is goals. Here remember, we can fix the goals up to 20 will be possible. More than 20 will be not possible. See here, I have the already will be there in the option. See this one, 431, 4, 1, we have option. So when click this option, we'll check which URL will be there. You have to check the option. Here, just click for edit, description, click for edit. Here. Some URL will be there. Just here, go to cancel. We have to stop any kind of goals. Simple option here. We call this off. Which one? Off. Out of 20, running for only how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. You can off for this one also. Is it clear? If you create for new website goal, select new goal. In this one, we are showing two options, template and custom. Select the custom option. After that, click for continue. Next one, your goal description is a website. Clicks. Next one, the goal type is destination, duration, page, scene per session, event. My goal is destination, nothing but click. Select for destination. In this option for continue. After that, add your URL. After click for verify the goal. They give you the score of in this. After click for save. The score will be the click, the percentage. So based on the clicks, they will showing on here. So what option is? The option call is we can using for which name? Digital marketing option. Search here. Here, this I'm adding for in this option. Destination will be going to on. So how to we can find out is my destination or not? Simple. Just click here. You can select your page name. What is the page name will be? 13. Analytics spot. Where we can select for goal details. Click for edit. Here, where we will check our website clicks. The website will click the 4 option. One is organic traffic, direct, and referral and social. That is called, an option call is audience. Go to audience option. In the audience, we can go to option call is acquisition. Click for overview. Where? Acquisition. Click for overview. So what is my page name is? Digital marketing training. So the digital training. Now you can check. The people come for here only for one. Which one? They're using for organic market. Is it clear? They coming for organic or social or referral or direct. We know about based on this option here. Is it clear? The goals nothing but you can check for particular website clicks. The clicks will be we can given by WordPress website and you can given by the PHP website and HTML. Any website will be same policy. Go to goals, select your goals option, destination. This will be set for goals URL. Click for verify goal. The goal main assumption are can check for website clicks purpose. The website user coming through direct, referral, social and organic traffic. Is it clear? This is where we check the options.